Hello, hey, hi. Oh my goodness, you're back. Thank you for clicking again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you along for a simple laid back weekend at home. No glam, no stress, just me and my favorite snack. A bit of self-care here and there. So, let's get into it. I'm not really hungry. Initially, I wanted to make a muse. Oh, muesli, but they just delivered my nuts. My nuts just got delivered. So now should I go? No, I don't think they got delivered. Yeah. Starting my morning right with a smoothie, a banana smoothie. Let's say banalicious. I keep it simple, honestly. It's just oats, peanut butter, banana, yogurt, and milk to make it a bit, like smooth. I don't like it too watery because I feel like I easily get hungry. So that's just it. It's quick. I believe it's healthy and it keeps me going for the morning, at least just before my lunchtime. So let's get into it. Stop recording. My favorite. This and berry blaze. Mmm, finger licking good. Once I've got my smoothie in my hand, it's time for a little workout. Nothing crazy, trust me, just enough to wake me up and get the blood pumping. You know, try and look sexy, summer body loading. I'm all about feeling good, not about hitting goals every single day. But I try. Trust me, I try. I want to make a peanut butter. And this is, anyways, I'm feeling the peanut butter because I find that peanut butter because I started this journey of trying to make my own stuff. I don't know why. But I noticed that the peanut butter that I make tastes, it's like I don't eat flour pancakes anymore. I eat oat pancakes. And they taste like heaven. Like they taste like you're eating something so healthy. Also, my lips are so dry. The workout was wow. I started doing compound workouts and I honestly enjoy them. I've got allergies. Well, the doctor said it's allergies. So I'm not comfortable showing my skin entirely on camera. Okay, let me show you guys. Can you see these things here? All of this. Now I have to keep wearing makeup. Like, I don't even like makeup like that. Oh, Lord. Okay, let's make a peanut butter. I need to sift it. Okay. Oh, these are not open. I'm making something that honestly makes me feel like a mad scientist. Peanut butter. I know, trust me, I know it's super simple, but homemade just hits different. All you need are peanuts, a little bit of salt if you want to, and a food processor or a blender. In this case, I'll be using a blender because is it the same thing? I hope so. So once it's done, mm, mm, mm. Let's just focus on the process. So this is me after putting these on the stove for them to burn a bit. I don't know. That's what I saw. That's what I. And I'm a kasigela or salida. So I just put it in my blender and then I'll start blending right after that. Woo! We're slowly getting there. This process, okay? Make sure that your blender is blendering slowly. Okay, I think my peanut butter is ready. Let's see how that goes. Oh, so smooth. Easy giving. Got a blender, yeah, is dying. Because I divided it into two, thinking my blender is dying. Self-care time. I'm just taking a quick shower, keeping it simple as always. Sometimes I think the best way to recharge is to just refresh and reset. Nothing fancy. Right? And of course, moisturizing, a good skincare routine doesn't have to be complicated, but it makes such a difference. I swear. I'm kidding. I just use this Vaseline and I use the Aquas because currently I'm going through it all. Trust me. Ain't no 20 products I'm about to use here. Sorry. Now it's time for lunch. Nothing too wild today. Well, that's like my every weekend. It's never wild, trust me. I'm just a simple cook. I don't want anything too complicated. So I just, throw in some mushroom, onion, spinach, something very simple. Honestly, weekends are the perfect time to enjoy food without a rush, right? Lunch is ready. Now I'm setting in some. Get the food on the plate, bro. I'm hungry. Okay, so I had to hide the other half, because I want you guys to think that I only, like chow, like a girl. No, I don't. Trust me. This is honestly my weekend mood. No schedule, no plans, just catching up on some YouTube, chilling on the couch, and it's like the perfect reset. That's my life. Any soda. Yeah. I'm done with the peanut butter. Let's see if it's creamy, nice and creamy. Hi, peanut butter. Wow, love it. Love it. This is the peanut butter. and is smooth. Because last time it was crunchy, but that's because my blender was not working. Thank you for coming with me. Bye. Another day, another unboxing, I guess, because I mean that's what we do in here, right? I was working out, so hence the outfit. Check what I got today. I only have got 3 today. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, no, I can't. Looks cute. But I'm Chinese, so hence I just need one. Oh. I feel robbed. I feel robbed. Anyway, these are chia seeds. This one. Just. Oh, these are the nuts. Oh, this is making easy. This. Golema raisins la. These are not even raisins. What are these? They are. Oh, it's just raisins and less nuts. The last one is this was a bars. I think this color is the one. Okay, I think this color is the one. Yes, band. Yebo. Oh my goodness, yeah.